Everyone says one-on-ones are for checking in. The data says this is why they fail. In the next few minutes, I will show you why old school one-on-ones are a waste of time and how AI can turn them into an ROI machine. I've managed teams across 17 different countries, and I'll bring you both data and real-life examples from companies like Adobe and GE. But here's a twist. The more you use AI, the more humane you need to be. Let me show you how. So let's look at the old way and why it doesn't work. Okay, so one-on-ones, the data found that 42% of one-on-ones are rescheduled. Also, 30% is cancelled, okay? But this is causing 59 hours of lost time annually per employee, okay? This is a significant loss and waste of time and a waste of money. This is why you have to focus on the one-on-ones and how you schedule and manage them. Instead of just a status meeting, you have to turn it into a real, productive one-on-one. So what replaces the status? A new model powered by AI. Ineffective one-on-ones will have the exact opposite effect as the one-on-one should be. It is just going to cause the employees to be disengaged, okay? So what we found is that with regular one-on-ones, teams are 4 times more likely to be disengaged because they are not working on feedback, they are not working towards something, developing their career. But with consistent one-on-ones, employees are 3 times more engaged. And that is going to work towards retention, that's going to turn to decreasing the turnover rate and the turnover cost of a company. Adobe found in a case study that implementing structured one-on-ones resulting in 30% lower turnover across engineering teams, okay? And turnover cost in a company, which is just a hidden cost, but it's still a significant cost for a company. And this can help you decrease it with just a simple tweak by doing consistent one-on-ones. So how it would look like by an AI enhanced approach, okay? It would mean that AI handles admin preparation, so managers don't have to spend so much time prepping for one-on-ones. The managers can focus on coaching, development, giving feedback, getting feedback, and making sure that the team member develops in a way that is the best way possible. Auto tracking of commitments, action items, feedback, reviews, anything that needs to be scheduled or reminded, AI can track it. Data-driven insight, guided conversations, trust builds through consistent execution, okay? Later in the video, we'll go through exact prompts and I'll show you in ChatGPT how it can help you prepare and how it can help you summarize one-on-one meetings. So what is the flow of a one-on-one meeting? Obviously, for a one-on-one, we have a before session, a prep session, which will in the past, it worked like you went through maybe the previous meeting notes, or you went through the previous information you had about the employee, and you sat down, you went through it, and you figured out some questions, you wrote it up, and then you prep for the one-on-ones. If you had time. If you didn't, you just kind of jumped into the one-on-one without any preparation. But with AI, it's going to auto-generate contextual agendas, it's going to analyze recent work, emails, previous meeting outcomes, and it's going to help you prepare for the meeting. It will also generate coaching questions, generate ideas that what's important for that team member. We'll look at that exact prompt and the outcome it can give you in ChatGPT. What it can help you during the meeting. So during the meeting, if you use an AI note taker, it can transcribe the conversation in real time so you can focus on the team member and you don't have to take notes during the meeting. If you don't have the funds to pay for a software like that, which could be from 15 to 30 bucks a month, then you can maybe focus on taking notes but in a different fashion and then enhance those notes with AI as well. After the one-on-one, AI can create a comprehensive summary and track progress, commitments, action items, and that summary after can then be fed into the preparation for the next one-on-one. So what does it actually look like? So let's break down these 3 AI superpowers and let me show you exact prompts and real-life examples. Let's see the first AI superpower, which is going to be automated agenda prep, okay? So this can give you context for your meeting. It can pull recent notes. It can figure out how you can prepare for your meetings, which kind of coaching questions you have to use, what is important for that team member, and it is really easy to use. Let me show you the prompt in ChatGPT. So this is a prompt I made. This is available for you. If you like and comment AI in the comment section, I can share this prompt with you. What the prompt does is that it actually has a copy-paste system, okay? So you can just copy and paste this entire prompt into ChatGPT, and it's going to make sure to ask for inputs, which is going to be name of the person who's going to have the one-on-one with you, meeting notes, or just any source of information you have about that team member. And then what it's going to give you. So the task of the prompt is to create notes, create a one-on-one preparation sheet with these sections. What matters most for that team member? Areas to explore in the conversation, coaching style questions, coach's playbook, okay, where I can act like a coach, helping him or her build confidence, play to strength, and prepare for the season, not only the next game, okay? Practical follow-ups, 2-3 actions I could take after the meeting to show investment in his or her growth. Okay, this is what's going to build trust within your team. Let's copy and paste it into ChatGPT and let's check it out. Okay, so now that we paste it into ChatGPT, we run the prompt and it's going to ask us to give the name and the one-on-one notes from our previous sessions. Okay, I just made up one-on-one notes in ChatGPT with our team member Sally, and you can see that this is session 5 weeks ago, current wins, challenges, development and growth, coaching questions, and so on and so on. So we're going to copy and paste this entire document into ChatGPT and then see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, the prompt is already working. What matters most to her right now? She wants clarity on her career path, areas to explore in the conversation, how she's experiencing her mentoring and leadership moments, practical follow-ups, draft a career roadmap together, outline specific skills, checkpoints. Okay, so you can see what kind of output you can get for a one-on-one. And imagine getting into a one-on-one with this kind of preparation, and it only took us like 2 minutes to do it. Let's jump on to AI Superpower number 2. So this is going to be, as I said, live notes and summaries. An AI note taker can do Loom, Author AI, Read, whatever you use, or Gemini note taker. You can use it, and then that's going to be the notes you have in the prompt that I just showed you before. And the last one is going to be skill mapping and growth prompts. Okay, we have to find the hidden talents. We have to personalize growth paths, how he or she can develop for future roles, and we have to improve the retention rate. Okay, so intermobility improvements drive 20 to 30% better retention in companies. Let me show you a prompt and also a real life example into ChatGPT so you can see how it works. Okay, so this is the one-on-one performance and growth review, leadership coaching format. I'm gonna do the same thing, copy the prompt, put it into ChatGPT. I'm gonna open a new chat. Let's run it. It's gonna ask us to give previous one-on-one notes or any kind of data we have. We're gonna do the same thing. Copy the one-on-one notes. So you see, if you use the note taker, you can use those notes to several prompts and it can help you give the results. So let's run it and check it out. Okay, so employee development report, which is the overview, stage, early career employee, motivation, recognition, and career clarity, strength and current performances, technical growth, responsiveness and reliability, areas to improve, prioritization and strategic thinking, workload sustainability, career development path, junior, mid-level, mid-senior, senior leadership, and then opportunities for more responsibility, short-term, mid-term, long-term, retention and engagement strategy, and action plan for the next 30, 90, 180 days. Okay, this is a really good resource that you can use as a manager to streamline your work. Don't spend so much time on admin work, but use prompt sets and use AI to make sure you can do it faster and easier. If you have a team of 7, 8 or more, it's gonna save at least 10 hours a month or more for you. And once again, if you wanna get this prompt, make sure to like, comment AI, and I'll send you the prompt. Okay, great ideas and great features, right? But does it actually improve the business? Let me show you what studies found. This shows how it works in real life. Adobe tried this and reached 30% reduction in employee turnover after implementing structured AI-assisted one-on-one. Also, GE found that productivity 5x'd in manager effectiveness through AI-powered meeting optimization. And at IBM, 25% performance boost achieved via AI-driven coaching insights and recommendations. So this is real-life data. So let AI do the science, the preparation, the summaries, the meeting notes, the data, and let you do the art. You have to figure out how to coach and lead and be assisted by AI so you have more time to focus on your team members. So if you want to get the prompts, make sure to leave the comment in the comment section. And if you also want to see more videos on AI and leadership, make sure to subscribe.